Alright, this is the Tropicana I'm going into, and I can hear someone beating on those the Home Depot drum set. And that's way away from here. He's way down. He's probably in front of New York, New York. It's incredible how the sound travels with those buckets. Okay. Yeah, they could have turned this one on and turned that one off. And they know damn well they could have. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really impressed with how dirty these stairs are. I always thought of this place as being real clean because it's got all that. It got the white theme. Actually, that's beige. Is that beige or is it dirty? Yeah, it's beige. I guess I just always thought it was white. Oh yeah, I came in the different door. Normally I come in that door. The Robert Irvine's door. I don't think I remember this. This might be new. Red Lotus Asian Kitchen. Here's the prices. $17 for a noodle meal. Entrees go from 38 to 18. I'm not sure what's their 38 is their fish, their deep fried flounder and the bass fillet. All the other stuff, peppered beef and all that's 18. It's not bad. If it's good. If it's real good. It's got to be real good. And then this is the lounge section of Irvine's. I guess when they're crowded, you can sit there. $6 Mexican beers. Not great, not terrible. Could be worse. It could be $6.50. This group of tables in here is beautiful. It looks like what you would see downtown, like Main Street Station. I think that's what it's got, a little bit of Main Street Station in it. $10, $15. It's a nice bar. A cute little high limit room. Okay, now that is white. Those are white chairs. That's what I thought the rest of the casino was, but it's certainly beige, and they wouldn't have been able to change that. That's what I thought it was, but I'm just totally that was disinformation, maybe from the Russians. This was $3. Let's see what it is. $3. John Lovitz. I didn't know he was still around. He is actually funny. This is a really classy bar right here. Trago Lounge. This is a good cheating bar. Because nobody's gonna see you in here. Rich Little? Is that the real? Oh, was that in? No, that was the real Rich Little. Now that's obviously not Prince. He's demised. Huh. Michael Jackson. Wow, it said the Michael Jackson estate is not affiliated in any way with that, with this show. Can you do that without giving them a couple nickels? It kind of seems unfair. I mean, I might as well set up and start doing Michael Jackson right out here and probably rack up $4 or $5 in 8 hours. Yeah, I wouldn't say Tropicana's not doing so well on a Friday night. You got a little bit of a line going in, but for the most part, not so well. Alright, I'm going to keep this on the Tropicana video because this is the prettiest corner in Las Vegas. I wish they put water in that moat over there at Excalibur. They're just one step away from being one of the best themes. But if they're not going to put water in that moat, then they're not really Excalibur. We got some ruckus going across the street. I don't know what it is. I have my Barney Fife badge in my pocket. I could go over there and shut it down. I think I'll just let it go. It's Friday night. All right, that's all for Tropicana.